are cooking pilau, Coastarian pilau with the greatest our pilipili to go with it. Guys, this tastes amazing. You can follow this recipe and make your own Coastarian pilau, guys. And yeah, let's get cooking. This is a cooking video. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. And yes, today I'm going to the kitchen and I want to prepare some meal. And yes guys, today we are cooking pilau. So I know some people call it pilau, other people call it pulau, I don't know, but here in Coast we call it pilau. So today this is the Mombasa way recipe of cooking good, tasty pilau. So guys, these are the recipes we are going to need for our pilau today. We have a whole garlic here peeled, we have our onion cut, and we have our ginger here peeled. And this is our pilau masala, guys. This is our pilau spices. It has cinnamons, cardamoms, black pepper, and cloves, and these cumin seeds. To show you how we are doing it, we are not going to cook it with this the way it is. I hope you understand me, guys. So I'm going to show you how I make it powder myself. Yes, as we prepare our recipe, and there goes our meat. Our beef is boiling. First, you boil the beef, adding water to this beef, a lot of it, because I want to harvest the stew, the beef stew. That's the beef stew. We are going to add it to our pilau so that our pilau can have that good taste of that meat. And what I usually do is I take out the cinnamon sticks. I take them out. I don't want to smash them. I just put them away. And these cardamoms, I'm going to peel them out and take the seeds out first. We are going to need these seeds only, and I put them there. And this one I put them aside also. So I'm going to peel this out, all of them. And the heat, see the heat? Now these are pilau masala. We are going to heat them until they become brown. So you have to keep like stirring to be brown, to roast. We want them to burn a little bit. You can smell the smell of pilau. You can hear the cumin seed bursting out. So you see guys, they are ready. They're somehow brownish. We are putting our pilau masala here. Just smash them. You can see they have the smoke. Yes, and it smells pilau already, and we have not yet cooked. So we are going to add cinnamon sticks and the cardamom skin. So yeah, like that, and we're going to cook our pilau with that. It's ready now. We are going to turn off the heat and stream all this stew away. So we are going to add our cooking oil here. And guys, pilau has to have good amount of cooking oil. So don't be stingy with this cooking oil and don't be too generous. We are going to add some salt. The trickiest part of this pilau, apart from roasting the pilau masala, of course, this meat has to be brown. It has to fry with this oil until it becomes brown. so that it can give our pilau to be brownish in color. So make our pilau also to be brown. So let's fry it until it's brown. Our meat is already brown, so yes guys, adding the onion first and frying them, adding my mixture of garlic and ginger. So guys, we have left aside our ginger and garlic for our pilipili, to cook our pilipili. So I'm going to add the pilau masala to our meat here, the frying meat we are frying. And there it goes. We have added our spices, our everything. At this point, if you want to add tomato paste, you can add tomato paste. But if you don't want, it's okay. Our pilau is going to be brown since we are frying our meat until it becomes brown. Add some rice. My stock is finished. This is 1 kg and this one was 1 kg. I used some of it last night. So I'm going to cook all of this pilau since I want it to be lunch and dinner at the same time, saving money guys. You know me, minimalist. We are adding our soup, our beef soup. Hey guys, it looks amazing. This looks amazing, tastes amazing, and also smells so good. And since we are cooking a lot of rice, I'm going to add my water, of course. 1 jug of water. We are going to wash our rice. And we are going to wash it. Drain all the water. We have washed it 3 times. Boiling. Now let's add our rice. We are adding our rice to our mixture. Tuipike mpaka hamaji yaishe haya. Guys, look at me. I'm crying due to the cutting of the onions. The onions make you cry. No matter how strong you are, you cut the onions, you cry. So yes, yeah, these are the struggles of cooking. Now the water is finished. Preparing this to go to the oven. And yes, this is how we do it. We want it to be dry. Put on our oven, and I'm going to put 30 minutes, and degree of heat I'm going to put let's say 100 degrees, and I'm going to use up and down heat. So yes, let's remove this. Use this. This is the stand for putting my my rice there. I'm giving out here my pilipili secret ingredients, or secret the way I'm cooking it. So let me talk in Kiswahili for those who will understand it, because this pilau is from Mombasa. Leo nawapatia siri ya vile napika hii pilipili, because many people have been asking me how I make my pilipili, how it tastes amazing and goes so well with the pilau. There is Ashley. Ashley, say hi. Okay guys, so I'm truly giving out my 100% secret the way I cook this pilipili guys. Now apatia siri. This is what we are going to need for us to cook this this pilipili, or for this pilau guys. We have tomatoes. We have onions, and let me come to this. We have masala. This is masala chili powder. And since I don't have the green, since I don't have that pilipili za kuwasha, I'm going to use this green pepper, and I've cut it small pieces. And you know the seed which is here, the big one, I'm going to use it also. Don't throw away anything. I don't throw away anything, everything. I just cut it. And the reason is, this is not a must guys, this is not a must just for me. The reason is because I want this pilipili to have a taste of the chili peppers. Yes guys, so that's why I'm putting this to add the flavor in our pilipili. cooking oil. To add onions. And I love cooking my onions till they're brown. Adding my mixture of garlic and ginger. I'm adding out the seeds of my green pepper. Guys, and the seeds are really busting out. So I'm adding my tomatoes. If you want, guys, go ahead and blend these tomatoes. But for me, I don't want to blend them. Now I'm adding salt. Remember, this is chili. It needs some salt, amount of salt. That's why I don't blend the tomatoes. I just smash them like this. And they're done. When they heat up, they become so soft. So it's easy to smash the tomatoes. Green pepper now. My chili powder. And I'm putting all of it because this is our chili sauce, guys. This chili sauce, it has become heavy. And yes, it's supposed to be like that. Looks good with the greenish in it. Guys, if you see that it's so thick, you can add some little bit of water. But it's not a must. The water is not a must. If you think it's thick, because this one I said it has become thick due to a lot of chili powder. And guys, remember to cook this under medium heat, low medium heat. So guys, here it goes. The reason I'm telling you to add some little bit of water when it's thick is because we have to add tomato paste. And as you know me, guys, I buy it at the shop around here. I take a sachet. So yeah, I'm going to put this tomato paste. We stream it all in. We don't want to waste any bit. So guys, please don't skip the tomato paste part. It's very important the tomato paste to be here. So if it's thick, you have to add tomato paste. It's the secret ingredient, one of the secret ingredients in this chili sauce we are making. So guys, this is ready. Our chili pilipili yetu ya pilau, it's ready. And the key secret ingredient is here. Lemon. So we squeeze this lemon. We take all the lemon juice out. Since our chili is a lot of it, we are going to put a whole lemon. But if you're cooking just a little bit of it, you can put half a lemon. It's ready, guys, and looks amazing. Tastes amazing. This is kachumbari, our last dressing we are preparing. And there are our onions. We've cut them in round shape. And here are our tomatoes. We've cut them round shape. And here are our green pepper. We have cut them like this. And we are going to need lemon and of course salt. So we are mixing all this up. I didn't want to do this part of this video, but I remembered, guys, some people don't know how to make kachumbari. So this is how you make a pilau kachumbari. So there goes our lemon juice, and we're going just to add it here. And yes, our kachumbari is done, guys. There goes our kachumbari. Looks so good and smells amazing. Look at it. It's amazing. It's dry. And yes, that's how it's supposed to be. It's a lot of pilau, guys. To stir it, it's some cars to do this part in order for the rice to be like this, and you have to stir, guys. Now raw na kwani nitaacha nyama? Yeah. This is how it's supposed to taste. So amazing. guys, mchele umetoka mmoja mmoja. You see? I begin to. So guys, yeah, here's my pilau, and you're welcome, of course. So yeah.